Ontario science advisors are warning a third wave has taken hold in that province, driven by the more contagious variants of concern. And there are troubling signs the variants are spreading fast across parts of Western Canada, too. Heather Urix-West looks at where this is leading and what needs to be done now to slow it down.
Drive-through immunization clinics in Regina, Saskatchewan are up and running, but it will take more than vaccine to get this city out of a very troubling spot.
My concerns are many, actually grave, in fact.
Of the nearly 500 active cases in Regina right now, nearly half are either confirmed or presumptive cases of new variants.
We had to look at a sharp, immediate and a short lockdown, of a circuit breaker type, to keep these variants from really getting away from us.
If we would just let our guards down completely, then we're really talking again about thousands of cases per day, and it could be considerably worse than what we've seen during the second wave. We need to be aware of that.
The virus is spreading most quickly in Ontario, where variants of concern now account for half of all new cases and are driving new growth. But in the West, the situation is escalating too. Both BC and Alberta have seen case numbers rise since mid-February, while Manitoba has seen its test positivity number grow day over day since the beginning of March. Though so far, officials in both Alberta and BC don't believe numbers are increasing quickly enough to warrant serious concern.
Right now, we are still in a very small percentage of our cases that are variants of concern.
But that's simply not the case right now in Ontario.
It's really hard to know exactly how this is going to play out, but it's pretty clear there's been a rise in cases over the last week, and that's more than a blip. That's a real deal.
And with vaccine campaigns months away from hitting that critical mass needed to control the virus, tighter health restrictions may once again need to come into play. A tough reminder that while we are close to the end, the COVID-19 pandemic is just not over yet. Heather Urix-West, Global News, Calgary.